In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Apple Cash on an iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up these settings on your iPhone, then go to the search bar and go ahead and type in wallet right over here. And then you'll see this option that says wallet and Apple Pay. So please select on that. Then what you want to do is you want to scroll down a little bit. And then where it says Apple Cash, make sure that is turned on. So as you're able to tell, it is now turned on. And then afterwards, you will see an option that says Apple Cash. And let's go ahead and begin setting up. So go ahead and click on it right over here. Then press on continue. And it's going to make you do a Face ID as well. It's also going to give you terms and conditions. So go ahead and make sure to agree to all that. So agree. And before you're officially able to use it, you're going to need to verify your identity. So to continue using Apple Cash, so we need to go ahead and press on continue just like so. So let's go ahead and enter in our first name right over here. So go ahead and enter this in and press on continue once you're done with that. So I'm going to fill it out really quickly. You will also need to verify your home address as well. So please go ahead and do that. You will then need to provide your SSN and date of birth. So please go ahead and do that. And I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, once you went ahead and done that, it is now going to begin setting up Apple Cash. All right, and as you're able to tell, we now have Apple Cash ready to go. So over here, you're able to go ahead and check your balance and stuff like that. You're also able to add money or transfer money to bank account and even set up recurring payments. So you can add money from another bank or even a debit card as well. So those are all great options that you guys have. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.